If you work in AutoCAD, knowing how to turn layers on and off is one of the fastest ways to clean up your drawing and focus on exactly what you need. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simplest way to control layers using the Layer Properties Manager, so you can hide unnecessary objects and bring them back whenever you want. This is a really useful skill, whether you're drafting, editing, or just trying to make a busy file easier to work with. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AutoCAD tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Once your file is open, take a moment to look at your design and decide which layer you want to control. If your drawing has a lot of different elements, turning layers on and off can help you isolate specific parts of the project and reduce visual clutter. Now, to open the Layer Properties Manager, simply type LA on your keyboard and press Enter. This is the fastest shortcut to get to the layer controls in AutoCAD. As soon as the Layer Properties Manager opens, you'll see a list of all the layers in your drawing along with several icons and settings. Next, find the layer you want to manage. You can scroll through the list if needed, or use the layer name to locate it more quickly. Once you've found the correct layer, look for the light bulb icon beside it. This icon is what controls whether the layer is visible or hidden in your drawing. If the light bulb is on, the layer is currently visible. If you click it, you can turn that layer off and hide all objects on that layer. If you need the layer visible again, just click the same light bulb icon to turn it back on. This is a very simple but powerful way to control what you see on screen without deleting anything from your drawing. Keep in mind that turning a layer off does not remove the objects from your file. It only hides them from view, which means you can bring them back at any time. That makes it perfect for working on complex drawings, especially when you want to focus on one section without distractions. After you've finished adjusting the layer, you can close the Layer Properties Manager. Your changes will stay active and your drawing will update right away based on the layers you turned on or off. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to turn layers on and off in AutoCAD in just a few seconds. This is one of those basic tools that can save you a lot of time once you start using it regularly. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.